Every year, hundreds of seafarers die at sea. Most of those deaths could have been prevented. That's exactly why STCW Basic Safety Training exists. Welcome to IMT, International Maritime Training. Today, we're breaking down the 5 courses inside STCW Basic Safety Training. Every seafarer must complete these before stepping on board any international vessel. The sea is unpredictable. Ships sink and people fall overboard. Personal survival techniques teaches you how to use life jackets, survival suits, and life rafts. You'll learn how to signal for rescue and survive in cold or open water until help arrives. This knowledge saves lives. Your life. Fire is one of the most dangerous emergencies at sea. There is no fire station in the middle of the ocean. You are the fire department. This course teaches you how to identify fire hazards on board, use firefighting equipment, and coordinate with your crew to control and extinguish a fire at sea. When someone is injured on board, the nearest hospital could be days away. Elementary first aid gives you the skills to provide immediate medical response. You'll learn CPR, treating wounds, managing fractures, and stabilizing a patient until professional help is available. Life on board a ship is unique. You live and work with the same people for months at a time. Personal safety and social responsibility cover your duties and responsibilities as a crew member. This includes safety culture, working hours, environmental protection, and how to report unsafe conditions. Modern ships face threats beyond storms, piracy, terrorism, stowaways. Security awareness training helps you recognize and respond to security threats. You will understand your role in keeping the vessel and crew safe while following proper security procedures. All 5 of these courses are available fully online through IMT. Get your STCW Basic Safety Training certificate from anywhere in Africa or Southeast Asia. Visit imtllc.com and enroll today. Your safety and your career then depend on it. Subscribe to IMT for weekly maritime training videos. Like, share, and hit the bell for more content like this. See you in the next one.